So in this particular video, we're going to talk about how to ping your blog. Now, before we talk about the how, let's talk about what does ping mean. Ping basically means that whenever you ping a blog, you tell the search engines and other sites that you have updated your blog. Now, with Blogger offers an easy ping function that's already built in, and all you have to choose is the yes in your settings, and I'll actually show you that in a minute. Now, WordPress, on the other hand, you need to find a ping plugin to do this, and I'll actually show you that after I show you the Blogger settings. So basically, if you think about it, if you don't ping a blog, then you're not allowing search engines to know whether you've updated a blog or not. Now, by setting everything up initially, whether it's Blogger or WordPress, whenever you ping a blog, you allow the search engines to know that you've updated the blog and that they can come and check it out. That way you make it easier for search engines to know this, and in return, your blog posts get easily indexed in the search engines and you get better ranking. Because search engines love it when they find out that there's a blog that's being updated frequently with good content. Now let's go ahead and look at Blogger and WordPress. Now if you're using the Blogger blog platform, then all you need to do is go to the dashboard, choose settings for that specific blog, then go to basic and just make sure that this is chosen as yes. It says let search engines find your blog. And if you read the description here, it says if you select yes, we will include your blog in the Google blog search and ping web blogs. So the nice thing about blogger.com is it automatically pings every single time you post, and all you have to do is choose yes, and by default it's chosen by yes. And just click on save settings, and that's it. Now for WordPress, on the other hand, I would recommend with WordPress to use sites like Ping-O-Matic, which if you go to pingomatic.com, you can enter your blog name, your homepage, and your RSS URL, and then you can check all and then send pings for your blog. Now that's a manual way of doing it. Another way of doing it is to install a WordPress plugin, which I would recommend to use Max BlogPress Ping Optimizer. If you go to maxblogpress.com, you'll find this. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom and download now, you're going to have to install that plugin, and I'll show you how to do that. And what I'm going to do is download that, and I'm going to unzip that zip file, which we find this here. And what I'm going to do is basically, there's a README file which you can read. And what I'm going to do is just upload this file or folder here to my FTP. So you're going to have to open your FTP client, find the location of that WordPress folder, which says test ABC, and then find the WP content folder and the plugins folder. And then I'm basically going to upload this folder here like this. And that's it for now. All I have to do now is basically go back to WordPress and go to plugins, and you'll notice under the inactive plugins that there's a Max BlogPress Ping Optimizer. And I'll check that and click on activate, and there we go. And if you want to access the settings for the Ping Optimizer, just go to settings and click on MVP Ping Optimizer. And registration is free here, but you need to enter your name and your email address. So being that it is free, you need to sign up on a list. So the first step is basically to go to your email and confirm your email address. And I go to my email and I activate it, like so. And after that, I'm going to go back to my WordPress area and click on Verify and Activate. Once you've done that, you can enable pinging, which is by default. And the only problem with pinging with WordPress is that sometimes they overdo it. So you can limit excessive pinging in a short time. And once you're done doing that, whenever you post a new post, what will happen is the MaxBlogPress plugin will automatically ping or send pings to these Ping-O-Matic services. Now earlier I showed you the Ping-O-Matic site, and that's if you want to do it manually. If you do it this way, then you don't have to worry about doing it manually. And there are other ping sites out there which you can get lists of and just enter them here and click on Save Settings, and that's it.